Like your
Are you happy? Are you happy? Ha?
Hey, Becca.
Oh! Uy, pariya kayo ng damit, oh! Oh, wow!
Oh, mine.
Is your source?
I really want Karoni, but I have my own headband. Yeah, so you get yours. We're gonna be same. Yeah.
Ah, fish.
So you
A
can
fish.
remember me.
I'm gonna kiss him. I'm gonna kiss him.
What? She wants a present.
Oh!
Ah.
That's my little sister.
Mga kaibigan ha. Tuka ko.
Hi, Nono, say hi. Nono,
No, 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 Santa. Why? Why do you wear gloves? Because it looks because my mom told you. Oh, okay. Come on, let's look at your hair. Wow, it's Ariel. Your toys is perfect. Yeah, because you have an Ariel birthday party. I don't like beaches. When low tides come, there's like octopuses or anything, so I don't like the beach. I go to a swimming pool, who's even better. I like swimming pools and I like the tide because that's so much fun. I like the deep place, the big. I used to have to swim, but I want to die.
Oh!
Can we be friends? Can we be friends? Yeah. My name is Skeletor. What's your name, Roblox? My name is Veronica. How do you spell it in Roblox? You can always call me Becca because that's the same. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, let's go inside.
Oh, dito lang kayo.
Let's have fun.
Diri lang. Huwag kayong mag-ano lang sa loob. Dito lang kayo.
Ninang, ano ba?
Huwag na kayo mag-ano sa loob. Dito na lang kayo sa labas. Mag-storytelling.
Come on, Becca. Let's go. Oh, I have a present for you.
Oh,
I
tingnan
wrote,
mo.
but my doll is not perfect. So I
No.
don't think you're gonna like it. I like it because you're my friend. You're my new friend. What's this? It's your doll.
What's that?
It's my doll. I didn't know you would make this. I don't did. I did this. Yes, because she's pretty. The face is good. I didn't think it was your mermaid, but I did my best. Okay. You did your best. Anyways, look, there's a sparkle in the eye.
Uy, Nono lang ha.